Hi, this is Sobi. Remember me from Sobi Sells Dear Properties. Today I'm here on my newest listing, which is located in a very quiet residential community called La Estancia, Puerto Plata, which is minutes away from Playa Dorada, Jumbo, and El Malecón, and pretty much everything that Puerto Plata has to offer. Let's take a look.
This property offers parking for 4 cars and is newly renovated. Half bath on the ground floor, newly renovated kitchen, this is perfect for an office, a child's bedroom, or a maid's quarters. The second floor boasts a huge walk-in closet, a full bathroom, bedroom with air conditioning, a balcony, as you can see, the air conditioning isn't on and it's completely comfortable in here today. Here we are in the second bedroom, which also boasts a huge closet. There's a full bath. The third bedroom.